Hello everyone. Welcome back to RS Computer Solutions. In today's video, I'll show you how to upgrade Windows 11 PC from version 24H2 to the latest 26H2 Insider Preview using Microsoft's official Windows Insider program. You don't need an ISO file or a clean installation. Your apps, files, and settings can stay in place during the upgrade. Let's get started. First, verify that you're running Windows 11 24H2. If your PC is already on Windows 11 version 24H2, you're ready for the next step. Open Settings. From the left panel, select Windows Update. Now click Windows Insider Program. If you don't see this option, make sure you're signed in with a Microsoft account and that your edition of Windows supports the Insider program. Click Get Started. Select Link an account, then sign in with your Microsoft account. After linking your account, click Continue. Now choose an Insider channel. If Windows 11 26H2 is currently available in the Dev channel or Canary channel, select the one Microsoft recommends for the build you want. Remember that these channels receive preview builds that may contain bugs. Click Continue, review the agreement, and confirm. Restart your computer when prompted. After the restart, return to Settings, click Windows Update. Click Check for updates. If the 26H2 Insider Preview is available for your channel, Windows will start downloading it automatically. The download time depends on your internet speed. Once downloaded, Windows will prepare the installation. When prompted, click Restart Now. During installation, your PC will restart several times. Keep your computer plugged into power and avoid turning it off. You should now see Windows 11 version 26H2 or the corresponding Insider Preview build number. Congratulations! Your upgrade is complete. That's how you can officially upgrade from Windows 11 24H2 to the latest 26H2 using the Windows Insider program. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to RS Computer Solutions, and click the notification bell so you never miss future Windows tips, Microsoft updates, and IT tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.